Okay, we're out on a job today, and I'm going to show you a couple things. This particular job, we've done a lot of engineered beams in it, and we did an engineered floor system, you can see up here, and we've done an engineered roof system because we've got a lot of open areas. So when we're framing plans with a large open floor plan, a lot of times we use a lot of engineered wood. We don't use dimensional lumber like 2x10s, 2x8s, 2x6s. To create our floor joists and ceiling joists because they don't have the ability to span the spans that we're trying to open the rooms up in. We get questions a lot about LVLs, and this is an engineered beam that's carrying not only the second floor but the roof above it. That's designed to carry all that. That allows us to open this entire space up here. We don't have to have a bearing wall here, which you see in a lot of houses. So we do a lot of engineered beams. You hear the term LVL, which is an engineered beam, wood beam. It's layered beams that are put together with oriented strand board, strand wood, and a resin material. And then most of them in that situation, they glue them up and also, for lack of a better way of saying it, they microwave it. They bake it a little bit so that it becomes an engineered beam. Will be able to carry the load. I just wanted to show you all what the engineered wood looks like.